However, Tadvakha Sadranam Devaha Seswaraha Kinamadasaha Vivi Sustan Dunugotaha Nijakarja Niveditum Tadvakha Sadranam Devaha. We see that the different kinds of Devdevi, Indra, Varun, Mata, Medini, extra with Brahma, with they together they appear to the Brahma and they say they are sorrowful incident. The sorrowful appearance. Tribhuvana Janakam Sadasanastam Tribhuvana Janakam Sadasanastam Sanaka Sananda Sanatanisyoyi Siddhoi Purisevita Pada Kamalam Brahmanam Devana Nipuhu Tribhuvanam Janakam Sada Samastam Sanaka Sananda Sanatanisya Siddhoi Tribhuvana Janakam Sada Sanastam Tribhuvanam Janakam Sada Samastam Sanak Sananda Sanatan. They are Siddho, they are the Siddho Purush, whose legs prayed the others. The people prayed to their legs that Sanak, Sananda, Sanatan, who are named Siddha Purush, they are there and began to pray to the Brahma and that Sanak, Sananda, Sanatan and the Devdevi Shiv extra Devdevi with Dharitri Mata and that Sanak, Sananda, Sanatan and the Devdevi began to say to Brahma, to the Dhara Mata's grief. They began to start the story, began to arrange the story, how that Dharitri Mata is crying, and why the Dharitri Mata came beside him. They began to arrange to say that story, and for this reason they are appeared in front of you, oh Brahma, solve this position, to solve, but for solve they came here because he is the creator. He is the creator. You create, and that your creator give the Dhara Devi, sorry, for this reason, the Dhara Devi is crying, and that Dhara Devi came beside him to solve that. For that reason, they appeared in front of Brahma. Oh Brahma, solve it.